Good morning, students. In previous link, we have studied English frequently used word, 2-letter words and 3-letter words. In this link, we will be learning more frequently used word part 3. In this, we will be writing 4-letter words. Let's start again. What is the first letter? Just. Remember, you have to stick to the bottom line. नीचे वाली line को stick करके लिखना है. Okay, start. Just, just. Must, must. Whom, whom. When, when. Next, give, give. Gave, gave. Also, also. Still, still. Kids, in this way you have to write the remaining words also by sticking to the bottom line. Okay? Okay kids, now you know how to write it on the single line book. In the same way you have to complete the remaining words too. Let's repeat. Let's start again. Just, just. Must, must. Whom, when. Kids, you know whom and when we use for question. Okay? Whom did you ask? When are you going to leave? Where do we use whom and when? We use it for questioning. Give, give. Gave. Also, also. Still, still. Goes, goes. Does, does. From. Back. Come. Some. With. Want. Take. Make. That. Have. Look. Like. This. Then. Them. Students, remember then, them. Keep. Most. Tell. No. In this word, letter K is kept silent. Okay, ये word में K कैसा है? Silent. So we are going to pronounce it KNOW, no. For example, do you know? In that way, the letter K is kept silent. Very. They. What. Again we use what for questioning purpose. For example, what is your name? हम what कहाँ पर use करते हैं? Question करने के लिए. YOUR, your. USED, used. HERE, here. WERE, where. FIND, find. MADE, made. MUCH, much. AWAY, away. Listen it properly. AWAY, away. OVER, over. BOTH, both. NEXT, next. EACH, each. Come to the next side. On the next page you have WENT, went. ONLY, only. WILL, will. BEEN, been. WELL, well. SIAD, said. INTO, into. So kids, These are some frequently used words, 4-letter words. आपको ऐसे ही सेम कॉपी करना है in your English CW book. Read it and write it properly. Read along with the video so that your pronunciations will be more better. Okay? And many more examples we are going to learn from our textbook. We can see that these words are repeating again and again. Okay? Read and practice it well. Bye bye.